Okay, well, I have my Amiga. In honor of one of my favorite YouTube channels, ProTech, I have a beer. Let's see if I can get this Amiga to do something fun. Let's power it on. We have a light. This is not very Amiga-like. I wonder if we could change the graphics here to do whatever the Amiga does when you turn it on. There we go. So this is Amiga 3. Let me just check this looks okay on the camera. Okay. So Amiga 3 is great, but it's not quite as nostalgic as I'd like. So what I'm going to do is load the Mega AGS configuration. Let's see if this works. So this is what I get. I get floppy disk bridge error. Some problem with the Greaseweazle. I don't know why. If I go to floppy drives, there's no twist in my cable, so I think it should say connected as drive B, but I think that this software sometimes forgets whether I've ticked that box or not. Let's untick it and reset, maybe. Well, that worked. The floppy drive seems quiet. Press escape here. You go to workbench. And if I put the disk in, this icons have no default tool. I'm not sure what's happening. Let's put this back. Now I have had this working before. Let's quit. If I bring up a term, so now I'm in the Raspberry Pi. One thing I need to check is that my Greaseweazle is working. If I do, so D message will give me the kernel messages. Whoops, I meant to say, I'm going to find all kernel messages to do with the Greaseweazle. Whoops. So the Greaseweazle is working. Let's try this. Oh, that's promising. Can you hear that? So are we booting from the magazine disk? No, we're not booting from the magazine disk. But here we are. This is what it was like. You'd get your magazine, you'd put your floppy disk in, and see what wonderful, exciting things there were. And I think there was a lot of stuff like this. TV Text Professional. Let's have a look at the README file. Whoop. TV Text Professional. This file contains important additional information. So, by the way, this is what I'm going to look at tonight. I have this. I bought this. This is a brand new Amiga game called I don't know what that says. I've just realised. Here we go. Invia. It's like an R-type of game, but I think it has more of a modern difficulty curve. And from eBay, a huge stack of magazine discs. So we're just going to play around with some of these and see what we have. Let's see what TV Text Professional is. It doesn't sound too exciting. Love how the work. This is what I want it to look like. I like my Amiga 3 is nice, but this is how an Amiga looks. This is how I remember an Amiga looking. Okay, high res, no interlaced. How many colours? If in high res we can have 16 colours. Overscan none, okay. Reading pref files. TV Text Professional. Okay. Text, fonts. Oh yeah, lots of fonts. Letter Gothic. 75. Oh. Okay, so how do I add some text to the screen? Oh, here we go. Render. Oh. I remember when this was a cool thing you could do with a computer. And then you could add this to your videos and do your titles. I don't quite know what I'm supposed to do now. Render, prefs, screen, video, hide title. Oops. Hide point. Oh. Okay, well I'm sure this would have been very useful. I don't know why I can't quit. Okay, so let's take this one out. So that was Amiga format disk 64A. Let's see what else I have. Oh, the disk drive is making that noise. Listen. Control Amiga. Can I quit? Is there a... How do you quit things on Amigas? I quit. Control Amiga. There's hundreds of games in Mega AGS, but I just wanted to play around with the floppy drive, seeing as I have the floppy drive installed in this machine. Okay, this is Amiga computing. It's very odd that the drive automatically detects when you put a disk in. I never really had an Amiga when I was a kid. My friends had Amigas, my school had an Amiga. My friends had Atari STs. I had Amstrad CPC, and you'd put the disk in, you have to type a command. And on PC you have to type a command, but on these machines, just putting the disk in, it automatically does things. Is a novelty. Okay. Well. The Code Clinic. So I imagine there was a magazine article and you'd read the article and it would teach you what the code did. Look at this. Oh, it's in C. So people were doing C programming on Amigas. So init bitmap. And then we're going to scroll X, Y, today, so we're going to scroll right, up, left and down. Okay. I guess this will run it. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Yep. Power of Amiga graphics. I don't know how to stop this. There's no. What's the equivalent of Control C on an Amiga? Okay. Alright, let's try Tune of the Month. Confused Rocket. Well, I've just watched the SpaceX Starship being launched recently. Let's see if this music will make me think about that. I assume I have sound working. I hope so. Ooh. I've heard this before. I've heard this. Oh wow. Let's just check if the levels are okay. Yeah. Let's see the whole screen. Yeah. Amazing. So I probably wouldn't have heard that tune since 1994. So what's that? 94, 20 years? Is it 30 years? And somehow it's just really familiar. It's amazing what you have stored away in your brain. And coming from sort of Amstrad CPCs and even a 286 PC with no sound card, this sort of thing would have... I remember this sort of thing amazing me at the time. Actually, so I have in here, this is what I had. I was in like third or fourth year at secondary school, and I was doing music, and that another class was doing media studies, and we had this cool teacher called Mr. Keithley, and he had all this video equipment and video editing stuff, and they had an Amiga to do the titles. And among other things, I knew I'd seen this, but I wasn't in the class. I asked my music teacher, can I go into Mr. Keithley's classroom and use the Amiga to make music for a music project? And amazingly, they let me do it. And I remember they had this. And it was so hard to make music with this at the time. But I remember that's probably where I heard that tune. So you do this. And so I have all these from so the Mega AGS has a lot of music on it, but let me just see if I can DF0. There we go, tune of the month. Presumably. Med module not supported yet. Well, maybe I didn't have it in. Well, while we're here, if we go DH0. No, DH1. H2. One of these. There we go, let's just try one, unless they have rocket here. What do we have? Let's just try one at random then that sounds cool. Bit arts. Oh, so these are the artists and then these are the songs. Let's play it. I need to hook this up to some better speakers. Let's try something else. Parent, how do I go to parent directory? Yeah, hours of fun with this. Okay. So that was tune of the month. I don't know what game of the month was like. Rollerpede. Big icons. Kind of amazing these discs still work. Oh, this doesn't look right. Oh. Okay. Suspend. Okay, let's try another disk. Amiga computing, a megabyte of superb software. An arcade adventures on this disk. June 1991 was that one. Oh, okay. We have more music. Code Clinic. What's Greaseweazle? Oh, this looks... I don't think I want to get into installing things on disks right now. Let's try another one. Let's have a look. I'm sure I have... Let's have a look through some. I think I have things like the Syndicate demo. Drafts. Video titler again. Knights of the Sky. Demo Maniac. Create your own astounding demos. Oh, here we go. There's a Syndicate mission. This is pretty interesting as well. Let's have a look at those two. Let's try the Syndicate demo. I guess things just stick around. Oh no, that one disappeared. I don't know why this one... I don't know how you get them to go away when they're stuck. Seems to be empty. I don't understand. Alright, let's try one more. I want to put beer on my Amiga. Terrible. Things don't seem too healthy right now. Let's reset it. Ooh, I wonder if that's what I was supposed to do with this. Maybe you have to boot from them. Ooh. Okay, 1990. Oh, well, I was reading it. Team 17 are proud to present another action-packed arcade extravaganza, Assassin. Looks good. Superb playability, fantastic audio visuals, technically stunning. All the hallmarks of another Team 17 classic. So I don't have a joystick right now, I have a gamepad. .200 frames of animation, 32 colour graphics. How do I get to all these things? Available very soon for $25.99. Okay, now loading the playable demo. Okay. Final release will offer 1,500 screens of full screen 32 colour action. Silky smooth scrolling, versatile player control, superb sound and speech effects. Ooh. We can throw, up his jump. This is actually quite good. Oh. So it's kind of a beat 'em up. Where did he come from? I'm going to climb higher up the trees. And then get further up. Okay, let's go this way. Ooh, excuse me. I don't know what these power-ups are. I kind of like this game. Oh, am I dead? Okay, I suppose I'm dead. Let's give the Syndicate disc another chance. And then we'll try this game. Oops. Okay, I was just sorting out my camera. Do you want to play Syndicate? Yes, please. I don't know why else I would be here. Is it still in focus? I'd hate to think this is blurry. Okay, the screen is in focus. Yeah, it looks like it's in focus. Okay. Ah, because Syndicate is a mouse game, isn't it? Okay. Oh, I probably should have read the brief, maybe. There we go, right. The cover of one of our top journalists has been blown. Other syndicates are treating Julie Tolley as a priority one target. She has further information for us and therefore must survive all attempts on her life until she is safely in our hands. Mission profile, extreme hazard, blah 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 blah. Okay. Lasers, miniguns set to burst mode. Okay. I don't know if I can remember how to play this game. We'll see how far we get. Looks like these are just... This is specially developed for the magazine, this demo. I mean, I can see how the nostalgia of floppy disks might become old fairly quickly. Okay, so you click to go somewhere, you can go a different way, mouse to the edge of the screen scrolls, oh these look, can we shoot these guys? I feel like my guys are all dying. Ah, you right click to shoot, do you? Did I just shoot my own guy? Oh dear, well that was not successful. Oh, do we have to go through all that loading again? Oh, that was quicker that time. Now, can I select more than one guy at a time? What are these options? Protect. Oh, that was effective. Maybe if I hide behind here, these pillars, will that offer cover? Is there cover in this game? Here come the bad guys. Oh, laser gun. How do I stop? Oh, at least he's shooting now on his own. Although he won't stop shooting. And I feel like maybe I'm not doing this game right. Laser gun. No, laser gun. The laser gun seemed effective. Where's my guy gone? I can't quite believe I'm still alive. No, well, I'm not. Was this game always so combat heavy? I thought it was meant to be more tactical. Okay. Let's try this. So, what do we have? It's in a box. Games used to come in boxes. We have a postcard for another game, Zero Sphere, a registration card, Polyplay Retro Game Publishing, a sticker, that's nice. We've got a patch to sew on our jacket. Original Defense Force. Ah, this is a micro SD card with the game on it, I assume. This, I think, this is a short story about the game. Oh, there's a poster. I remember games coming with posters and also keyboard overlays. I think Falcon. I used to spend a lot of time around my friend's house playing Falcon on his Atari ST. And there was a keyboard overlay to tell you what all the controls were. Okay, yep. A poster. And in here we have instructions. So for once I'm actually going to know what I'm doing in a game on the Amiga. Controls, and I think this tells you what the power-ups do. You gain an extra life every 10,000 points. And here is the disc. So it comes packaged like this, and there's the floppy disk. I think we might just have to reboot it. reset my camera. Disk drive is making interesting noises. I hope it works. It's gone quiet. Okay, let's try one more thing. Okay, let's just try booting from it one more time. That doesn't sound too healthy. No, it's stuck. Okay, I have an idea. Okay. Can I do... I want to read a disk to an image file. No. Maybe we do it that way around. Oh, that's it. Well, this seems healthy enough. Okay, there it is. So now if I run this, we've just read the whole disk. don't know why it makes this noise. Let's try this then. So if I go floppy drives, change this to one of these, and then find the file. It was on desktop. It was at home, Pi, desktop. Okay. So now it will read from the image file instead of from the real disk. Maybe. Okay. I think I'll need my gamepad. Press fire to start game. And get to ready. I'm ready. Oop. Okay. I do like this kind of game, but I'm not very good at it. I think the trick is possibly to dodge first and shoot second. Oh, okay. We can do better. Everyone knows the more you click fire, the faster it loads. Oh. Is this a thing I want to collect or a thing I want to dodge? I feel like I want to dodge it. Oh. Okay, one more try. More beer. Those purple things. Oh, every time the purple things. One more try. One more try. One more try. That is a thing you can correct. Well, I killed the big gun, but then the big gun killed me. And I've lost my power-ups. Oh! Unfortunate. No. Okay. You don't want to watch someone play this game badly. Maybe I'll get good at it and then show you more of it. That was fun. I hope that was of interest to somebody. Amigas are fun. Good night.